Hey YouTube, what's up? I hope you guys are good. So welcome back to another YouTube video. We're just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna take you straight into the, I think it was on Thursday's trading. Yeah, last week has just been a shitty trading week. It has not been beautiful, like it was shit. But yeah, I'm gonna take you to Thursday's trading, as you can see on the screen, and just show you guys what happened and talk through that and just explain to you, and basically just explain to you my thought process and why I took the trades. Alright, but yeah, it's not gonna be a long video. It is almost 11:30 at night. I'm tired, but yeah, just decided to make this video for you guys to explain to you why I took these trades, and we're gonna talk through that. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So it was on the 19th of May, and you can see with the midnight open, and here by the 20th. So this is the entire trading day. So we can see price opened and price dropped. Alright, so initially what I was looking for was lower prices. So I was looking for price to trade above these highs, alright, to take out the buy side liquidity, and then what I was expecting was price to drop lower. Alright, let me just get 830 right here. Yeah, so you can see price opened, price traded higher. So I was looking for price to take out a low and for price to trade lower. Alright, so you can see that price took out a high here and price traded lower, and price continued higher. Alright, so you can also see that price continued to take out highs, short-term highs. Right, you can mark this one out. Alright, price made another high, price dropped, then made another high. Alright, trading lower. Okay, and then price took out this low right here. Okay, price took out the low. Right, made a market shift, and then price traded into the fair value gap. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Right, price traded into that gap. So what I was looking for was for price to trade underneath these lows, alright, as my objective, and I was looking for price to trade into this fair value gap. Alright, but this move, I missed this move up here, which traded into that fair value gap. Alright, let me just change this color. So that was the move which I missed. Alright, so price traded lower. Okay, and then price traded into another fair value gap. Alright, you can see that price traded lower, then price traded higher. Okay, and price went into that. Okay, price traded into the sell side liquidity. Alright, almost reaching the fair value gap, closing it completely. So I was looking for it to close completely, okay, and to possibly trade into this order block. Alright, so I was looking for that. So then price traded into that lower. Okay, price traded higher, and then price dropped lower. Right, so this drop lower, I was looking for this similar move. Alright, price dropping lower right here. You'll see it on the 1 minute time frame. Let me just show you guys on the 1 minute. You will see it. Yeah, so this was the move which I was looking at. Okay, I was looking at price breaking out this low. Okay, and I was looking for price to trade into the fair value gap and continue lower. All right, so like I said, my initial TP was this fair value gap right here. I was looking for it to close in completely. Okay, let me just mark it out so you guys can see that right there. Let's change the color to blue. So I was looking for price to close that in. Okay, so I took a trade here. All right, and price went higher. Okay, hitting my stop loss. So once price traded higher, all right, I then went to the 3-minute. I took another sell entry. All right, because I was still expecting lower prices. So then I thought to myself, all right, we do have price taking out highs. Okay, right here, and we do have a possible order block here with a fair value gap. All right, so I then placed another entry. All right, once price hit that and my stop loss, I placed it above this candle. All right, so price hit my entry and price traded lower. Okay, let's just head down to the 1-minute. So the first entry hit my stop loss, right? This one right here. Okay, this one hit my stop loss, and then my second entry was up here. Okay, price traded lower. Once price traded lower, I then moved my stop loss from the high, all right, to this high, all right, just to reduce the risk. Okay, and once price did this, then yeah, it just became messy. Like, this was not nice at all to see that price, you know, going back and forth, and eventually price did hit my stop loss. All right, let me just show you guys here. So it was these two. All right, let me just do this so you guys can see executions. Yeah, so here's the one which I took. All right, price trading lower, creating the fair value gap. All right, placed my entry a few pips above. All right, so this was the trigger. Okay, price traded higher, hitting my stop loss here. Okay, which was above this candle, hitting it there. And then, like I explained, my second entry was up here. Okay, by the 3-minute fair value gap, which you guys will see right here. Okay, so there, right, price triggered it, and then price just did that messy stuff. Right, so you will see the other one, which was, see if I can find it. Right about, yeah, so the entry was here. Okay, price traded lower. Okay, and once price traded lower, I moved my stop from its original, all right, price point to this high. Okay, so once price traded lower, I moved my stop loss, and you can see price hit it, this candle here. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this candle, price hit it right there. So after your first entry, what you can do is you can either stay out of the market and then just regroup and wait for the whole trading day to finish, or you can do what I did and look for more reasons as to why price can trade lower. Alright, so my second entry, initially we are trading lower, alright, as you guys can see. So I was looking for lower prices. So after price hit my second stop loss, that's when you know that, just take your losses, alright, and just regroup and come back again to the market. Alright, so there's two things in trading that we cannot avoid, which is losses and drawdown. Alright, you need to find a way how to deal with that, in your own way. And most importantly is you need to understand as to why you took a loss. Alright, if you don't understand that, then you need to do some research into your trading strategy or your trading model or whatever you use to trade. Alright, and head back to the drawing board. But yeah, these were the two losses which I took. Alright, it's the same account, so you can see it's 3 wins and 3 losses. But if you take a look at the losses, alright, it's minimum. So that's also one thing you guys need to keep in mind, that you always want to keep your losses at a minimum. Alright, that's also one thing that you can control, is your risk exposure. So you want to make sure you're not exposing your trading account to a lot of risk. Alright, you wanna manage that properly. So yeah, so far it's 3 out of 3, so you'll see what this week has in store for us. And if I do get trading opportunities, or if I do see a trading opportunity on this account, for this account, I will try to record it. Alright, but if not, I will take the execution and then I will just explain my thought process as to why I took the trade. Alright, so hopefully you guys don't get too messed up about your losses if you do take a loss. Alright, like I said, you can either try to mitigate your losses, alright, with another trade after that. But if you go in again after your second loss, just make sure that it's not revenge trading or you forcing something. Alright, it's better to walk away or cut your losses. Alright, because after you enter a trade, you do not want to spend an hour or so in drawdown, because that's definitely gonna drive you crazy. So if you do enter a trade and you find yourself in drawdown and price is just moving up and down and your account is going blue and red and all of that stuff, just know that you either in a consolidation market or yeah, your trade is just wrong. So that's just how the market is. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something, and like I said, don't beat yourself up too much about losses. It's part of trading and we can just learn from it and get back stronger. So until the next video, guys, I hope you have a good trading week. Let's focus, and yeah, until the next video, stay blessed, guys. May God bless you all, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Have a great week, be safe, and yeah, cheers.